Welcome back today. It's your G, Beto G, the beat maker. Today, I'm going to be making a beat called How to Make a Sao Tao Trap Beat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making a Sao Tao trap beat today. It's going to be epic. Make sure you press your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Thank you so much. Subscribe. I'm just going to put my cursor here. I'm going to right click and just press open. Now it's loading. Very soon it's going to open. Now my FL Studio has loaded and it has opened. I'm going to program my Sao Tao trap beat now. First of all, I'm going to click here on add and press citrus. Then I'm going to click here and left click and hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheels right up to channel 5. I'm going to click on this icon here and click on preset. Then I'm going to pick a nice preset. A nice preset that sounds very good. And this is the most important part when creating beat. Make sure you pick good sound to create your beat. Don't pick any whack sound. Now I'm going to pick this one called Majesty. This one. This is how my Sao Tao trap beat is going to sound. Then I'm just going to right click on my Majesty preset and click on piano roll. First of all, I'm going to program the first 2 bars pattern, then I'm going to copy it right to bars number 8. Then I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight it to the left and press Ctrl and B and copy right to bars number 8. Now I'm going to click on add again and pick FL keys. I'm going to click here, hold the left click button and turn the mouse wheel up channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to highlight it here and press Ctrl B. As you can see, I've copied right to bars number 8. Now I'm going to add the fruity parametric EQ2. Then here I'm going to turn the mix level to mix 4. Then I'm going to add the sound with Liza. Now I'm going to click my hi-hat by right clicking and press. I'm just going to but I'm going to program my hi-hats like this. I'm going to right click here and press piano roll. I'm going to press Ctrl B, copy that back to my aim. Then I'm going to press Ctrl A and pitch it up. On this hi-hat, I'm going to add the sound organizer. Then on my snare, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to pick this kick. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Then I'm going to press on my kick and press this button here and turn up this boost button right up. And this is the main source. Now this is my playlist. I'm going to arrange my beat now, chop it up, make sure I create a space for an intro and outro. First of all, this is my pattern 1. I'm going to right click and press split by channel. Now as you can see, I program everything, then I've split by channel, and this is everything I've programmed here. I'm just going to click on my kick and place it on my playlist, click on my hi-hat and place on my playlist, click on my snare and place it on my playlist, click on my first instrument called Majesty and place it on my playlist, and click on the second melody called FL keys and place on my playlist. Now watch me arrange my beat. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight it to the left and press Ctrl B. Now I'm going to highlight it and press Ctrl and B. Now I'm going to move the hi-hat here, I'm going to move the snare here. Then I'm going to right click and press create automation clip on the first melody and on the second melody. I'm going to right click and press create automation clip. Now I'm going to spice my intro here. I'm going to add a sound organizer. Then on the second melody, I'm going to reduce the mix right up down and press and add a the sound nicer again. Then on step 2, I'm going to reduce the mix level to level 4 and add the filter delay. I add a filter delay too. I finished programming my Sao Tao trap beat. Now let's listen to my full Sao Tao trap beat from the beginning intro to the outro. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time tomorrow in a new video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below so anytime I drop new videos you'll get notified. Thank you. Bye bye.